Let's take a look at our data connections to other manufacturers. Remember, we're working within the Connect Machine Management area. On the left-hand side menu, click the icon of a person with a gear next to it. This opens the Connection Manager. Inside the Connection Manager, you'll see a list of various manufacturers that have a connection with CLAAS. CLAAS Connect is open API, enabling any partner to make a connection. For example, if you go to a specific manufacturer and select Details, you'll see an overview. It includes which connection types are available, whether the connection is supported in your region, the scope of the data that can be shared incoming and outgoing. To initiate a connection, simply click Connect, and you'll be taken directly to the partner's platform to complete the setup.